ice cream sculpture. Today is Art Day! Swirlo is brewing up a special batch of cold ice cream, a super sticky, super chilly mixture. The mixture is poured out into a large block. Reddy and Orango move in, using their scoops to begin rough shaping the sculpture. Reddy creates a round head. Orango adds funny arms and legs. Both must be extremely skillful not to knock over the chilly block of ice cream. It's Flair's turn. He gently sprays warm vapor to melt the small details, creating curves and smoothness for the artwork. A little bit of melting art. Reddy adds an ice cream hat. Orango carves a big smile. The artistic melting ice cream sculpture is complete. What a wonderful display of skill! Now everyone can admire the artwork before it completely melts away. Unexpected traffic congestion. thunderstorm! In the dark of night, a fierce thunderstorm suddenly sweeps across the area, sending Delivero swaying dangerously through flashing bolts of lightning. At that moment, the tall antenna on the hill begins to tilt, shaking violently and threatening to collapse at any second. The rescue team immediately receives the emergency call. Bobby, Healy, Flare, and Jet charge into the storm at full speed. It's not just the rescue team. Every construction vehicle joins in. They clear paths, push debris aside, and climb toward the hill through violent gusts. When they arrive, the antenna is already leaning dangerously. Each vehicle takes position, bracing against the wind and stabilizing the base in a tense, critical moment. The antenna shakes violently, on the verge of snapping. Every vehicle gives its all, pulling, pushing, lifting, bracing, to keep it standing through the furious thunderstorm. Thanks to their strength and perfect teamwork, the antenna finally stabilizes safely.